Yo, what's up, guys? Mikey Guitar is back with another episode of Let's See. Okay, guys. I want to shout out a very big thanks to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Okay, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you, guys. I don't want to waste much of your time. I just want to go straight to the video for today. Okay. So for today, I just want to show you some basic chord you can use, okay, on the key of A, okay. Well, whenever you are playing on the key of A, mostly this video is really for the intermediate players, okay. But if you know you're a beginner, you can understand the stuff, okay. You can go along with it, okay. You can go ahead with it and work on it. Today I want to show you some basic chord you can use for your worship songs, okay, when you are on the key of A, okay. It's not really about the chord, okay. It's really about the sound, okay, what the sound is producing, okay, the kind of quality of sound you are producing, okay, on your playing. So, if you know this is the first time you're watching my video, I would like you to hit on the subscribe button, okay? Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this, okay, on this channel. I will really appreciate that. If you have any challenges, you can drop it on the comment section, okay? If you want me to do any video for you, you can hit it on the comment section. Without wasting most of the time, like I said, I want us to go to the video right away. Okay, so I want to show you this lesson in the key of A. For those of you that you might try to play your chord in the key of A, okay, this is the key of A on the third string, yeah, okay. We have it here on the second string, okay. We have it here on the second string, okay. We have it here on the first string, okay. So when you run your scale from the third string, yeah, so you have your first string here. So this is your triad chord. So you have your key of A there, you have it here also. So when you are playing a kind of worship songs, okay, there are chords you should use, okay. There are some chords you should use in your worship songs that will sound more better if you are playing the key in the key of A, okay. Like for instance, if you are playing your Do, Sol, La, Va, okay, the 1, the 5, the 6, and the 4 chord, okay, your Do. So if you're playing progressions like that, so this is your Do chord now, okay. This is your Do. So I'm going to take this close so you can see my fingers very well. This is your Do. Okay, so you have your Do here on the third string. So this is your Mi. So this is your Do. So you have your Sol, Do, Mi, which is your normal Do. Okay? So you have your Do, Mi, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. The Do is the open note, okay? Fa, Mi, Re, Do. The Do is the open note. So from your open note here, you have your, okay, you have your Do, Mi, Do, Sol, Mi, Do, Sol, Do, Mi. Okay, which is your normal one chord triad, okay. So when you play it like this, automatically what you are playing there is A sus2. Okay, that is the A sus2. So when you play from the do, the saw and the do, instead of the mi, you silence the mi and play the re. The re is the open note. Okay, so you put your index finger on the saw, while your ring finger goes on the do. Okay, so you strum that two finger from the fifth string. You can strum. Okay, you can strum. So you strum from the fifth string. Okay, that is the A sus2. The A sus2 chord. So you can use that for your one chord for your do. Okay, it sounds more better than normal do. Okay, or like this. It sounds more better. Okay, so now going to your saw chord, which is the fifth chord. Okay, like this. Okay, like so. What I'm playing there is a so you play from your re, you put your index finger on the re, then your pinky on the saw there, under, then your first finger goes on the T, then you strum from the 6 strings, all the notes. Okay? So, but you must make sure, okay, you must make sure that your guitar is on the standard tuning so that you can understand, you can get at least of the right tuning, okay, on the guitar section, so you not miss that what I'm going to show you. Okay, so you must make sure your guitar is on the standard tuning. So if you don't know how to set your guitar on the standard tuning, you try and download the guitar tuner on the Play Store so you can tune your guitar very well. So this is the saw now, from the 6 strings up down. Okay, so your index finger go to the re on the 5th string, while your ring finger goes to the saw on the 4th string. Then your first finger go to the T on the 3rd string. Okay, then you strum all the strings. That is your saw chord. Okay, and that is the E major chord. The E major chord for those that play on keys. That is the E major chord. Okay, now going to your 6th chord, which is your La. Okay, so your La is simple. Your La is called in form of do mi la, do mi la. Okay, La chord is form of do mi la. So you have another La here. You have another La here. So you have another Mi here. Mi re do la. Okay, so you have another Mi and La here. Okay. Okay. Do mi la, do mi la. Okay. So if you strum from the 6th string, you get your La chord. Okay. You strum from this. Now go to your Va. So what you are playing there is the sus chord. Okay, is you're playing the A sus4. This is your do. Okay, the Va is the sus chord. Okay, so when you play from your do, Va, the open note, so. Okay, that is your A sus4, which is the you can call it a D sus2. Okay, you can call it the D major sus2. Okay. Okay, that is the D major sus2. Okay, so that is very simple. Like those are the chords you can use in your worship section, okay, in your apply them when you are playing on the key of A. So this is the key of A again. This is the major key of A. We should have the vowel like this. Most of you that know the triad, okay, this shape. Vowel, so, do. Okay. So now I'm playing this vowel here. You can play the vowel a kind of a source chord. Okay, that will be sus D sus 2. Okay. That will be a kind of a D sus 2. You understand? From your do, la, then you put your saw, do, do. Okay, now you now play your do again. Okay. So the first bar I played here, the second one I played here. Okay, anyone you choose to play, it goes better, it goes nice, it sounds nice as well, okay? So it just depends on the one you want to apply in your playing. But just know that when you are in the key of A and you want to play any worship song that is do, sol, la, and va, okay, the 1 chord, the 5 chord, the 6 chord, and the 4 chord, okay, you just play this way. Okay, when you play that way, it's going to sound more better, it's going to sound more good. So, guys, I will urge you all to practice on it and work on it. Whenever you don't understand, you hit it up in the comment section. Then I will give you the answer. Okay. Whenever you don't understand, hit it up in the comment section. Okay. If you like this video, you can smash the like button. Okay. Share the video if you can. Thanks, guys, for watching. See you in the next video.